Hello guys, today we are going to demonstrate how to import some survey data to Civil 3D program, Civil 3D drawing. I have already opened Civil 3D drawing in my computer and I move to my survey data. This is my survey data. This is first column is point and second one north, east, sea and final description. This I have already add this row to this Excel file, but it's I have to delete it. It should be deleted. Otherwise, we cannot import that data to Civil 3D drawing. You, I only use this row to mention to you understand this easily. So I will delete that. Point column should be only point numbers. We cannot use with letters. If we use letters, then the Civil 3D program, we cannot add that CSV file to the Civil 3D program. Point column only should be only use point. Others we can little bit change. Sequence can be changed, but it doesn't matter. We can use Civil 3D to customize that CSV file when you import. Okay, now I will save this file as a CSV file. Okay, here I will save this file as a CSV. To import this CSV file, you should close that program, otherwise we cannot import that. You can see here home button and then have next point number is uh, tab is insert button. We can use point from file and import button here. This you have to select that location, the file location. My location already have selected, so then I will open this program, Excel CSV file. Then with specific point file format you can change here according to your CSV file format. You can change here. I use this sequence point numbers is the z and description, so will select that and I can add here point group. I also give one point group because easy to me to other finishing work for this drawing. Choose this file format. Okay, then I will okay this. Now my all points are imported, already have imported to this drawing. So when I want to look that point, so I will double click this mouse middle button and you can see this is my points. So but all the points are in like jam, so I will change this scale 1 to 100, so you can see all the points are clearly we can see in drawing. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.